Today's featured pickup truck is a 1989 Chevrolet C1500. And this one has been lowered. It's a custom, has quite a bit of work done to it. It has a newer 94 through 99 front end on it, the grille and headlights. It has body color bumpers with the step side and a beautiful candy apple red paint job on it. It has a spray and bed liner, different tires and wheels, raised hood, and fully tinted glass all the way around, and just had a nice look to it. And it's sold at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California for $13,500, which I thought was a good deal. You got quite a bit of truck for the money, and it's pretty much ready to go. If you don't like the wheels, you can always change them, but wheels always seem to strike a nerve, so not everybody likes them. That's why they have more than one set of wheels available out there. But anyway, that's today's featured pickup truck of the day, a 1989 Chevrolet C1500 two-wheel drive pickup truck with candy apple red paint, nice custom, a raised hood, a step side with body painted bumpers and different tires and wheels and lowered. And I filmed at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California, where it sold for $13,500. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Motor City, with a friend or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.